Watching YouTube TV on the Chrome browser is one of the easiest and most stable ways to stream. Here's how to do it properly and get the best experience. Step 1. Open YouTube TV in Chrome. Open Google Chrome on your computer. Type tv.youtube.com in the address bar and press Enter. This loads the official YouTube TV website. Step 2. Sign in to your account. Click Sign in the top right corner. Log in using the Google account connected to your YouTube TV subscription. Your home screen will appear instantly, showing your live guide, library, and recommendations. Step 3. Start watching. To watch live channels, open the Live tab and click any channel tile. To watch saved recordings, go to the Library tab and select the show, movie, or event you want. Step 4. Improve playback quality. For smoother streaming, open Chrome settings and enable hardware acceleration. Go to the Performance section and turn hardware acceleration on. This helps reduce lag and improves performance for both HD and 4K playback. If your video looks blurry, click the settings icon in the video player and select a higher video quality. Step 5. Fix audio or slow playback issues. If audio is out of sync or Chrome feels slow, restart the browser. You can also clear your browsing data for a deeper reset. Open Chrome's menu, go to More Tools, and select Clear Browsing Data. Chrome is the recommended browser for YouTube TV because it's fully optimized for the platform and usually delivers the smoothest experience. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.